Yeah, so today I'm out in Central, yeah, feeding the birds here, and all these birds, as you can see, if you come to Costa Rica, they will, no, I don't want, okay, this guy wants me to keep holding the birds, but I don't want them to mess around and shit in my hand, so, you know, I don't mind feeding them, I don't mind, you know, I love nature, but, so, he wants me to buy his, I'm telling him I'm on YouTube and doing a video, and he wants to sell me a picture that he took of me of holding the birds. I have a video, you're on YouTube now. So I give him the YouTube information so he can see himself. But yeah, this is it's a nice area. You know, I recommend people coming. Muchas gracias, amigo. So I don't know, like, you know, I'm not one to knock anybody's hustle, but you know, the year is 2024 and people have selfies and cell phones, so you know, to try to sell people's pictures, you know, from your phone, you know what I'm saying, like from your phone to their phone, it's kind of like, you know, you got to get a new hustle, you know what I'm saying, you gotta come stronger than that. I'm just saying, like, it just doesn't make sense, you know what I'm saying, like it's like me taking a video on my camera and then charging you so you can view the same video on your camera or your phone. It's like, you know, YouTube's free, you know, I create free content to inform people where they can go and enjoy themselves, you know what I'm saying, so you know, that's my way to give back, and I hope this video helps people to see San Jose, Costa Rica. Come and enjoy yourself. You can also feed the pigeons as well, you know, and they will be wanting to charge you to take a photo of yourself feeding the pigeons. Even though you may have your camera, you know, filming yourself doing it, they still want you to pay them if they take a picture of you doing it. So, you know, that's part of the culture. It's part of what they do here. It's part of their hustle. You know what I'm saying? Can't knock the hustle. I appreciate it, but, you know, nah, I can't go for that. But there's other things to do here other than feed the pigeons, you know, walking around. They have really nice museums, art galleries. You know, by me being an artist, I'm really into the art. Usually I find people like doing art on the street, and you know, I have conversations with them, and I'll be sharing that with you as well. So, you know, if you're new to the channel, please like, share, and subscribe. Yeah, I'll keep putting out content, and hopefully it inspires you all to travel, take care of yourselves, as well as taking care of each other. All right, peace. So right now, I'm in Centro, San Jose, walking through the mall area. Yo, these guys play. They play. Yeah, they be doing their thing. So I think they're gonna perform now. I wanted to get that on video. Yeah, they pretty good. Authentic Costa Rican music. You know what I'm saying? On the street. So if you come to San Jose, you'll definitely get to experience this as well. You know, It's like every day, San Jose. So, talk to you about the Hilderbrand lifestyle. You know, art, culture. Yeah, so that's part of the experience of walking around Central San Jose. You know, right now, like, you can buy like electronics and pizza. It's like a shopping area. So, you know, strip mall sort of setup, and it's really nice, you know. Great weather, nice people. So I'm gonna go back. I want to tip those guys, but I got my hands full. So, you know, I love supporting artists. You know, art makes the world go round. So I'm gonna slide back on them and put a little something in their hand, man. I respect and love artists. I'm an artist myself. So I love traveling, working out, art, and eating as healthy as I possibly can. Some junk food every now and then. I gotta, you know, keep it real. But for the most part, you know, just enjoying life, you know. Health and wellness, most definitely. So, all right, guys, that's one for the books. So, like I said, I'm gonna slide back on those musicians, man, and give them something. So I hope you guys like this experience that I'm sharing with you all here on YouTube, and the famous cow art that's like all around the world, from Chicago, New York, it's like Medellin, Colombia. It's like you always see these bulls painted and decorated. I think it's so cool. I know the reason why they had them in Chicago, because of the fire, you know, the Chicago fire, the history behind that, and the cows. But I'll do a story on that another day. But for now, yeah, man, so I had to slide back on them. It's all good. Back walking, strolling, you know, through the mall here in Costa Rica. Yeah, like I said, it's not even a weekend. A lot of people are out. Very popular place. Not many tourists, just a lot of native people from Costa Rica. You know, they come out and walk, get some exercise, enjoy the sun. Real nice place, you know. I like coming to Costa Rica. You know, very peaceful. I enjoy myself every time I come. You know, that's why I wanted to share this video. I got a lot of videos on my channel from Costa Rica, but I won't say a lot, but I got enough. I just wanted to show this statue. They got these random statues all around Costa Rica, and you know, I just love the art, man. You know, the artistic side of things. Just seeing how other people create, you know, and innovate. I'm always interested in that. That always intrigues me, like, because I'm always, you know, as a creator, as an artist, you know, I'm always looking for new ways to, you know, approach things, design things. So, you know, I travel around the world, you know, getting inspired by other artists and the things that they create and how they do it, you know, because everyone has a unique perspective, you know. they got a different way of doing things. We all do. So you know, some people just be like, "Oh, you copy my stuff." A lot of times, you know, that's the greatest form of flattery. When someone wants to imitate what it is that you do, because you know you definitely have inspired them to some degree. So, man, you know that's a good thing. Oh, no gracias. The lotto? I don't want to play the lottery, man. See, they want me to play lottery. So, you know, everybody's selling something, you know. So, it's all good, you know. People do what they do. So, I do what I do. All right, guys. I'm gonna wrap this up in a minute. You know, it's definitely crowded out here. You know, a lot of people, a lot of people out and about. Man, it's a lot going on out here. You know, it's a lot of eye candy. So, yeah. I hope you guys enjoy it. You know, I hope you're picking up what I'm laying down. So, definitely, yeah, highly recommend it. Come to Costa Rica. So, I'm gonna slide off into this other spot, you know, and share this with you guys. I like this spot. All right. So yeah, this is life in San Jose, central San Jose. It's a beautiful place. If you ever get a chance to come, this is central. Yes, central San Jose. Definitely a place to come visit. You know, beautiful. The weather's always good. People are kind. Yeah. So, get a chance. I'm in San Jose. Yeah. So, yeah, man, it's a very beautiful day out here in San Jose, as you can see. People are out. A lot of people. It's not even a weekend, you know, but people are just out walking, getting some sunshine, you know. Feeling this, man. Feeling this, you know. This is all good. You know. And I'm thinking about, I was always thinking about, you know, trying to get away from that music. Sometime, man, you know, you doing your commentary, be a lot of music. Sometime, you know, you got to get away from, so it doesn't block out what I'm trying to share with you guys, you know. But yeah, this is Central Costa Rica, you know. Very beautiful, very nice weather, very nice people. Yeah. So, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you're new to the channel, please like, share, and subscribe. All right. So, all right, y'all. Peace. Peace out, guys. Peace.